We're under a thunderstorm warning and a tornado watch. I wish I could get some lightning on film. I gotta go to the city tomorrow. I thought Friday was the 5th. I hope that tree don't come tumbling down on me in Junior. Our tree already did. 2019. Anybody having this weather, please stay safe. Thinking of you. There's the FedEx guy. I wonder what this guy's coming for. I thought the FedEx guy was coming. Well, we got severe weather. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching. Well, if I can get my darn phone won't go off.